In this video, my wife and I are going to share with you a unique twist on a classic recipe: baked cabbage-filled pierogies with sprinkling of caraway seeds. We translated this fantastic Polish recipe from our Cookidoo app on our Thermomix TM6. First step is to weigh out 200 grams of wheat flour, add 100 grams of cold butter cut into cubes, 50 grams of sour cream. We couldn't find any in our store, so we added 10% half and half instead. 1 uniquely cracked egg, half a teaspoon of smoked paprika, a pinch of salt. Put the lid on, insert the spatula, and let the Thermomix knead your pierogi paste for you, while using the spatula to help scrape the side of the mixing bowl. Remove the container from its base, lightly sprinkle your countertop with flour. Knead the dough into a ball, cover with cling wrap, and put into the fridge to cool for 1 hour. In a small bowl, add 1 egg yolk and cream. Mix it up. This will be used for the egg wash at the very end. Put this aside for later. Now onto the filling. In a now cleaned mixing bowl, add 500 grams of water for steaming. Insert the simmering basket. Add roughly 300 grams of savoy cabbage. If not available, regular cabbage will do. Set to Verona and let steam for 15 minutes. Once complete, carefully take out the simmering basket with a specially designed notch in the spatula. The Thermomix perfectly steamed soft the cabbage. Pressing with the spatula, squeeze the remaining water out of the cabbage into a bowl. In an empty mixing bowl, add 80 grams of onions halved, 5 grams of fresh parsley, 50 grams of butter, some pepper, and a pinch of salt. Chop for 5 seconds. Once perfectly chopped, sauté at 120 degrees Celsius, 250 Fahrenheit, for 3 minutes. Add back into the mixing bowl the steamed cabbage, and chop for 2 seconds at level 5. And that's it. Your stuffing for the pierogies is done. Empty into a bowl. Line 2 baking trays with baking paper. Our son was getting bored, so we gave him some flour and a toy tractor to play with. Sprinkle the countertop with some flour. Take the ball of dough and cling wrap from the fridge and roll it out with a rolling pin. Find a circular cup and cut out circles. Place onto your pierogi form and stuff with a hefty spoonful of the stuffing. Then close it all up, and out comes your perfect pierogi. Line your baking tray full with pierogies. Brush on your saved egg wash from earlier, and sprinkle on top of each pierogi the caraway seeds. And voila! They're ready to bake. Preheat your oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit or approximately 175 degrees Celsius and bake for 20 to 25 minutes or until golden brown. We hope you enjoyed this video and give this recipe a try. You will impress your family and guests with this unique and attractive appetizer. If you like this video, please subscribe to our channel and click the thumbs up button. Also, please feel free to comment below with questions. We would love to hear your feedback.